In this video, I will quickly show you how to create a Gantt chart on Monday.com to track your project timeline. First, go to Monday.com and sign in to your account. Once you are inside, open the board that contains the tasks you want to display in the Gantt chart. Make sure your board includes date columns such as start date and end date, because these are required to build the chart. Next, click the Add View button located at the top of the board. Then select the Gantt option to create the timeline view. Monday.com will automatically organize tasks in a timeline format based on the selected dates. You will be able to see task duration, dependencies between activities, and project progress. You can also adjust dates directly on the chart to update the timeline. A Gantt chart helps with planning and makes it easier to track project progress visually. And that's it. Now you know how to create a Gantt chart on Monday.com easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed,